ballin' like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hop in the jet. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be taking out my box braids after 2 months. I know my hair look kind of rough right now, as you can see, and my new growth is getting pretty long. But we not gonna panic, my nigga. We not gonna panic. Not only am I getting my hair done tomorrow, but I'm also getting a fresh tapered hairline from the right barber, my barber. Like I said in the last video, this nigga don't speak English, so you know my shit about to be crispy, my nigga. And yes, I'm gonna be filming him tapering my hairline the right way, so stay tuned. Yeah! And this is the final result. As you can see from the front, my new growth has grown in a lot and my hair texture looks pretty good. Now, all I gotta do is get my hair done. I'm getting 6 braids. 3 on this side and 3 on this side. I was gonna get the box braids, my nigga, but them shits take years to take out, bro. I started at like 12 a.m. It's 9 o'clock at night. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. But like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bro. Yeah!